Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we turn market moves into opportunities. If you're here to level up your trading game, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a powerful trading strategy that could change the way you trade forever. Ready to unlock some trading secrets? Let's get into it. What's up, traders? It's your Naima, and today we're talking about a strategy that's simple yet effective. Seasoned traders too. We're going to break down a trend following strategy that helps you ride the wave of market momentum. This is all about catching the big moves while keeping your risk in check. Sound good? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about trends. A trend is simply the general direction the market is moving in. You've got your uptrends, downtrends, and sideways trends. Our goal is to identify the trend early and ride it as long as possible. But how do we do that? It's easier than you think. We're looking for higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. Once we've identified the trend, we're halfway there. Now let's introduce the moving average crossover strategy, one of the most popular trend-following strategies out there. Here's how it works. Use two moving averages, a short-term and a long-term one. When the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, that's your signal to buy. And when it crosses below, that's your signal to sell. This crossover acts as a trigger, telling you when the momentum is shifting in your favor. But remember, no strategy is perfect. We'll talk about how to manage your risk in a moment. Alright, you've got your entry signal, but what about your exit? This is where risk management comes in. Always set a stop loss to protect yourself if the trade goes against you. A good rule of thumb is to place your stop loss just below the last swing low in an uptrend or just above the last swing high in a downtrend. And don't forget to set a take profit level. This is where you'll cash in on your trade. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of at least 1:2. That means for every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make at least 2. Like any strategy, the moving average crossover works best when you practice. Use a demo account to get comfortable with the setup and fine-tune your entries and exits. The more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting those prime trading opportunities. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful trading strategy that you can start using today. Remember, trading is all about patience and discipline. Stick to your plan, manage your risk, and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful trader. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update.